We have a very exciting update regarding the Lyme disease vaccine that just finished phase 3 clinical trials and is currently under FDA review. It also has a very unique mechanism of action that we're going to talk about at the end of this video. This vaccine is made by Pfizer and Valneva with the name of VLA15, and that's ahead of it getting a brand name upon approval. The vaccine clinical trial showed more than 70% efficiency in reducing Lyme disease transmission. However, an important caveat of this study was that not enough individuals contracted Lyme to be more confident of the results. However, it did show strong enough efficiency to move forward with submission. Now, the vaccine targets 6 most common serotypes of the Borrelia bacteria that causes Lyme disease that are found in North America and Europe. And in the clinical trials, the vaccine was given ahead of Lyme season in 3 doses, followed by a booster each season. Now, when one contracts Lyme disease, that's because the Borrelia bacteria is inside of a tick. The tick will then bite an individual in order to absorb some blood. However, that transfers the Borrelia bacteria to the individual, as the blood serves as a path for the bacteria to move from the tick to an individual. Now, the way that this vaccine works is that it's a protein-based or subunit-based vaccine that's directly administering purified OspA proteins, or outer proteins that are found on the outside of the Borrelia bacteria. Once administered, this triggers our immune system that those proteins don't belong in our bodies, so it will trigger an immune response to make antibodies against those OspA proteins in order to fight them off if they see them in the future. And this is where that really unique mechanism comes into play. Because if an individual who has received this vaccine is bit by a tick who's trying to absorb some of their blood, that blood now contains those antibodies against the OspA protein against the Borrelia bacteria. Therefore, the blood along with those antibodies will go into the tick where the Borrelia bacteria is living. Those antibodies will attack the Borrelia bacteria within the tick before it even has a chance to infect an individual. So make sure you stay connected to my channel and with Dane Garvin as we keep you updated about this Lyme disease vaccine as well as other scientific lessons. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you're not already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel by clicking over here, and you may also enjoy this related video that I have over here. I'll see you on the next one.